In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute your microphone when you are meeting in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So here I have a sample of a meeting that has just been started, and as you can see from the end here, we have time running for the meeting. However, in some cases you may want to mute your mic, and if you want to mute your mic, just head to this mic here, and as you can see we have an option to mute the mic. So if you click on mute the mic, now your mic will be muted. As you can see, I'm told your microphone is muted, and therefore my voice cannot be captured, or any noise around me won't be captured during the Microsoft Teams meeting. Should you want to unmute your microphone, then head again to the same microphone and unmute it. Now you see this cross line. This is an indication that it has been muted. If I click on it again, now you can see the cross line has been removed, which means I can now speak. So that's how you can mute your microphone in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.